Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to report somebody on Discord. So actually you don't do this on your Discord app, you need to go to your browser. So you need to go to this page, support.discord.com. After that you are going to press submit a request and then you're going to be transported right here. Now you choose what you need help with. If you need to report somebody, you go to trust and safety. And now you type your email address because they need to send you a reply to that email that you will type here. Now you choose what you need help with, let's say harassment. Now you choose what you would like to report. Let's say somebody cyberbullied you. This will pretty much ask you in detail. Let's say it was a threat. Even more detail. Now here it will ask you for message link. What this means is basically you need a message. So let's say somebody sent you some message like they told you that you're stupid, for example. You go to that message and you click to right here, three dots, more, and you go right here, copy message link. After you have done that, you go back to your browser, you paste that right here, and that's your message link. Now this is pretty much the title of your problem. Just title it something like, I don't know, somebody called me stupid. Let's say that's my problem. And you would type that here. And then you have a description. You pretty much describe your problem, what happened, how it led to that, and everything like that. Anyways, guys, you can also add a picture. And after that, you just submit it and you watch your email. And this will pretty much just go further and you can see what they are, what actions they are taking to help your problem. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like, and if you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.